Does your shower head spray funny? Does it have any white or black buildup? Today I'm going to show you how you can take care of that. Hi, I'm Nate from Eco Plumbers, Electricians, and HVAC Technicians, and today I'm going to show you how to unclog a shower head. Most shower heads are easy to remove. They have flat spots on the fitting behind the shower head that you can put a wrench on and turn counterclockwise to remove the shower head. Once the shower head is off, the best way to clear up any sort of mineral buildup will be to take the shower head and put it in a plastic bag full of white vinegar and let it sit for a few hours or even overnight depending on the severity of the buildup. Depending on the severity, you may have to use something like a toothbrush to remove any remaining mineral buildup. To reinstall the shower head, go ahead and line it up and turn it clockwise until tight. Make sure you use Teflon tape to create a good seal. Go ahead and turn on the water and make sure that you are leak-free. Where you'll want to check is the base of where the shower head is. Make sure that there's no water spraying or causing any sort of drips. Hopefully this video helped you understand your home's plumbing system better. For more information, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video.